The objective of this lesson is to add fractions with like denominators that have a sum of 1 using models and equations. Let's review some vocabulary. The denominator is the bottom number in a fraction. It tells what is being counted. The numerator is the top number in a fraction. It tells how many equal-sized pieces that are described in the fraction. Prior to this lesson, students have used models to add fractions with the same denominator. In this lesson, we will use both models and equations to add efficiently and accurately for the sum of 1. If we had a red, yellow, and green flag with equal-sized bars, we could represent it with these blocks. 1/3 red plus 1/3 yellow plus 1/3 green equals 1 whole flag. The equation would be 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3 or 1 whole. If an ice cream cone has 2 scoops of chocolate and 1 scoop of mint, we could represent it with these blocks. 2/3 brown plus 1/3 green equals 1 whole cone. The equation would be 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3 or 1 whole. If the dessert tray has 8 pieces of cheesecake and 4 are plain and 4 are chocolate, we could represent that with circle fractions. The equation is 4/8 plus 4/8 equals 8/8 or 1 whole. But if the dessert tray has 8 pieces and 1 is plain, 4 are chocolate, and 3 are strawberry, we could represent it as 1/8 plus 3/8 plus 4/8 equals 8/8 or 1 whole. If the dessert tray has 2 plain, 2 chocolate, 2 strawberry, and 2 cherry, we could represent it as 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8 equals 8/8 or 1 whole. Students should be able to draw area models and write equations for fraction situations with the same denominator. This will help students understand that when fractions with the same denominators are added, they are really counting the number of same-sized pieces. The objective for this lesson was to add fractions with like denominators that have a sum of 1 using models and equations. We met this objective by using models and adding equal-sized fraction pieces.